Welcome back to AI Tools Explorer channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add subtitles to a video using an AI online tool called BlipCut, which includes video translation, AI editing, adding subtitles, and more. Subtitles not only improve accessibility but also boost engagement on your videos. Ready to make your videos stand out? Let's get started. I've put the link below so you guys can click and check it out with me. With BlipCut, you can accurately and automatically translate and generate subtitles in 100 languages to save time and money. Enhance video accessibility, reach a global audience, and streamline your workflow effortlessly with our powerful AI tool. First click Try it FREE, then click this box to upload the video. BlipCut AI will automatically detect the video language, but of course, you can double check. Then click Generate and you're done. Of course, you can also choose to translate video subtitles into multiple languages. Just click and select the target language. Wait seconds and you can see the subtitled video is on the right. And the subtitles are on the left, which you can adjust sentence by sentence. You can also click to choose different fonts or styles for the subtitles. Once finished, click to download it. That's all for this video.